Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is MK Brickware. Today I'll be bringing this. It's set number CJ36519 from Oxford Blocks. It's the Korean version of the Apache attack helicopter. It contains 618 pieces, 4 minifigs, and costs about $34 or $35 USD. So this one I had to be creating and bringing set here over to the States. So of course this set and the company only exists in Korea. But you could probably buy it from eBay if you want, or even maybe they're selling on Amazon. So here's the front of the box, and here's the back of the box, and here's the side, and here's the other side, and here's the actual pieces they are brought in. So here's the instruction book. With the pieces listed right there. And here's the actual pieces themselves. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it contains 11 bags of pieces. Of course, I have to sort them and organize them by piece, by part time, things like that. So I will sort the pieces and do the build. So this is finished via the South Korean version of the Apache attack helicopter. So it's one side, here's the front, here's the other side, and here's the back. So for the plate features, you got the rotating rollers on the back right here, and the main roller does rotate, okay, and of course it does roll, and it does have 2 rocket pods and 8 Hairfire missiles. And of course, you could remove the canopy to remove the pilots. Oops. Okay. Like this, okay. And then, of course, there's other procedures like you could open up the side of the engines, like this, where it shows the sticker detail of the engine inside, and close it back up. Of course, you could do the both sides, but of course you don't close the way as it will be hard to open. And what else? Oops. So there's no printed pieces on this build, as all of them are stickers, like even the control panel, and then the side of the tail is like the army side, which is this means army in Korean, and also the engine center here, and also the where the tail fins are, and of course this also goes up and down as well, like this. And that's it about the set. Because you get 4 minifigs with this set. You got 2 pilots and 2 ground crew. Okay, and this pilots comes with the extra hair, and one's a male, one's a female pilot, and this is hair for the male, like this with the spiky hair. The female gets like a nice rolled up hair. Most females in the military all over the world, they comes hair like this. And of course you get 2 ground crewmen with the regular hats and the headsets on the back. And also one interesting that it comes with weapons, like the rifles and machine guns, and it comes with a pistol, and also don't know what this is, it could be a flare gun, and some smoke grenades. This is true that the pilots will carry weapons with them just in case they go down and they're behind enemy lines and need to defend themselves just in case they get attacked while at the crash site. And then of course we're waiting for the rescue. So that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, leave a comment below what you'd like to see next, and I will leave a link to the butter page of this set. And have a nice day. Have a nice day and have a mega fun day. Until the next video. Bye bye.